Dogecoin news and 2022 prediction. Bitcoin is the only crypto most people are familiar with in the modern environment, where digital currency is rapidly developing. Dogecoin, popularly known as the meme currency, was introduced in December 2013. Dogecoin 2021 was in the midst of an overvalued price surge powered by massive volumes from day traders, institutional investors, celebrities, and Doge whales. Are you intrigued by the currency's rise and want to make an investment? But are you concerned about what the future holds for this meme currency and why is Dogecoin increasing in value? Is it wise to invest in Dogecoin? Keep listening to discover everything about Dogecoin price prediction 2022 and beyond. But before we continue with the rest of this video, please remember to click the subscribe and thumbs up buttons as well as the bell notification icon. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we release new exciting videos. Also, we'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you watch the entire video as we will mention a free way for you to win a $20 Amazon gift card. Okay, now let's continue with our video. What does Dogecoin means? Dogecoin was founded in December 2013 in response to the massive popularity of Bitcoin. Over 1 million people visited the official website in 1 month. It began at a cost of $0.006. In 2021, the currency has increased by almost 5,000%. Billy Marcus, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer invented Dogecoin. It was presented to fool around, but no one could have predicted how big it would become in a crypto world. It is also used by shops to accept payments from customers around the globe. Analytical framework. On December 6, 2013, Dogecoin, a user-friendly cryptocurrency concept, was introduced. It operates on its own blockchain and is supported by a great number of wallets and exchanges. The primary use is for making payments, but it has lately been employed as a tipping currency to reward individuals with little tokens during online activities. Doge now has a greater rate of inflation, according to experts. Because Bitcoins have a constraint on the amount of coins that can be produced and mined, Doge coins are inflationary coins, whereas Bitcoins are deflationary coins. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has no such limitations and is thus inflationary, which is a benefit. Are you wondering about whether or not you should buy Dogecoin right now? This guide is to make sure you don't make any mistakes if you decide to invest. It tells you what the possible benefits and risks are, and how you can avoid them. Price prediction for Doge in 2022. Since the beginning of January, the price of Doge has been on a rapidly declining trend. During the current market crisis, it has lost 20% of its value. Nevertheless, if the sell-off pressure persists, the alt is likely to drop to its previous levels of $0.1085. If bulls return to the market, the price might reach $0.25 by the first quarter of 2022, followed by massive accumulation. The fact that Dogecoin is simple to mine, it has maintained the cryptocurrency at the forefront of the market. Furthermore, the most famous crypto exchanges such as Gemini and eToro have added Doge this year, driving the price to surge. The Doge price might increase to $0.382 by the end of 2022 if the currency is listed on more well-known exchanges in the future year. Nonetheless, given normal buying and selling forces, the average Dogecoin price may be approximately $0.2639. At the same time, at least, Dogecoin suffers from the fact that the digital currency has a low value. Many others say it's just an assumption, and if they're right, the price might fall below $0.1074. Dogecoin price prediction in 2023. Dogecoin is anticipated to increase in 2023 as the meme space becomes a trader's preferred strategy to fight prospective inflation risks. As a result, at the end of 2023, the meme coin would be worth $0.45. With the average purchase and sell forces, the price is anticipated to settle around $0.38, yet the least potential amount is $0.25. Dogecoin price prediction for the next 5 years. Elon Musk developing anxiety for Dogecoin may cause the price to increase. trying to reach a turning point of $1 in the next 5 years. Moreover, if Doge can maintain a significant growth rate in a highly competitive area in the future, the average will hit around $0.697. On the contrary, if the elements of cryptocurrencies such as zero staking rewards and limited functionality have an influence on the market in the future years, its price may drop. As a result, the possible low may be around $0.4923 Doge token for the market forecast prediction. Digital coin price. Dogecoin's value will increase in the following years, according to Digital Coin Price. By the end of 2022, it may sell within $0.18862. By 2023, the meme token could be worth approximately $0.21967, and by the end of 2025, it could be worth nearly $0.28844. Government capital. As per their updated perception, Doge will reach a maximum of $0.25185 and a lowest of $0.18615. The coin is anticipated to trade at an average price of $0.219. Doge is expected to trade at an average cost of $0.5727 by 2024, according to Government Capital. Wallet investor. According to Wallet Investor forecasts, Doge will reach a maximum value of $0.3069 and a lowest value of $0.2036. By 2022, the token is predicted to trade at the standard value of $0.3018. Wallet Investor expects Doge will trade at an average cost of $0.724 by 2025, with a maximum value of $0.957 and a minimum value of $0.843. Dogecoin forecast. Entrepreneurs' positivity for the concept, along with celebrities' excitement, has the potential to raise Dogecoin's value to levels that will amaze everyone, according to Coinpedia's developed Dogecoin price forecast for 2022. If its trading volume increases further, the Doge price will increase to $0.35 by the end of the year. At the same time, if the market is affected by external factors like legislation or unfavorable allegations made by influencers, the meme coin potentially trades at a possible low of $0.20. In the long run, technical advancements to strengthen the scaling functionality may drive the Doge price to increase to $1. However, if investor uncertainty increases and the currency enters an unstable trend, the altcoin potentially trade at $0.6971. Historic market view. Dogecoin was launched in December 2013 with a market value of $3.5 million and a price of $0.0006. Dogecoin was on an upward trend for a year, doubling tremendously. 2014. However, 2014 was not a good year for Dogecoin. New cryptocurrencies such as Neo, Stellar, and Monero entered the market, and traders focused their attention to them. The value of Doge has dropped to $0.0001. 2015. In 2015, co-founder Jackson Palmer suddenly left the project. He said that he wanted to focus on the blockchain's technical elements. The world started to speculate that Doge would die soon after hearing the news. But this did not happen. By the end of December 2015, Doge was trading at $0.00014. 2017. Dogecoin, on the other hand, did not break beyond the $0.0002 to $0.0003 price barrier until 2017. Buyers, on the other hand, bought coins for personal use, and the altcoin's market capitalization rapidly increased. The coin's value then surged to $0.003 in the spring of 2017, before continuing to fluctuate. Doge unexpectedly soared to $0.007 at the end of 2017. 2018. Many altcoins' prices began to fall in the first half of 2018, as numerous Southeast Asian nations tightened official control of the cryptocurrency industry. Dogecoin was no exception. but the price immediately returned to $0.017 and remained stable. During April, the price dropped to $0.002. By September, the price had somewhat rebounded to $0.006. Doge decreased to $0.002 at the end of the year. 2019. In 2019, the cryptocurrency traded sideways for the most of the year. A little increase pushed the market price up to roughly $0.004 in July, but by the end of the third quarter, it had regained most of its gains. In late 2019, Dogecoin was back tethering at $0.003. Dogecoin was trading at $0.0020 at the end of December 2019. 2020. During the first few days of January, Dogecoin was trading at $0.002. The price steadily rose to $0.003 by the middle of February, then dropped to $0.0015 by the middle of March. By July, Dogecoin had reached $0.004 due to price fluctuations. Doge began its upward trajectory in November, coinciding with the extension of Bitcoin's price surge, and is now trading at $0.003. Dogecoin was valued at $0.004 at the end of the year 2020. 2021, the Doge price began the annual trading on a positive note and has remained at $0.007. The famous meme currency drew a lot of attention when it climbed over 800% and then dropped about 300% in a single day for the first time in the history. Following a sequence of events and Tesla's Musk backing, the asset soared by more than 15,000% from the beginning of the year to an all-time high of $0.74 on May 8. From then, bearish clouds have circled the asset, causing it to shake. Yet, it was expected that Elon Musk would come to the rescue and raise the price to $1. But it was all for nothing. During the SNL event, the Dogecoin rally was a classic example of buying the rumor and selling the news. As a result, the price dropped dramatically during the event. Due to the market crisis, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency fell to $0.22 on May 19 due to additional price pressure. The value continued to decline, falling to $0.25 on May 23. It rose to $0.44 on June 2nd, but wasn't able to maintain its gains, and on June 22nd, it fell back to $0.16. During the third quarter of 2021, the meme currency was consolidating inside $0.2, leaving many people wondering whether the meme coin was doomed. The price range narrowed as August progressed, with Dogecoin trading between $0.19 and $0.21 until it broke out to $0.25 on August 7th. On August 16th, the price spiked again, reaching $0.3207, but it could not be sustained. Due to a severe market meltdown in September, the Doge price plummeted for the remainder of the year, wiping off more than half of its profits. By the end of the year, it was trading at $0.1744. We hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell, and leave us a comment below. We love to hear from you, and we'll be doing a random name drawing of the first unique 100 commenters who also like the video and subscribe to the channel. The lucky winner will get a $20 Amazon gift card. So get involved and don't be shy.